the N64. This little guy had a number of common hits ranging from Smash, Mario Party, Legend of Zelda, just list a few obvious hits. Hello, my name is Pedro. There have been a handful of mods for the N64, and today we're installing the gamer's Antiquity USB C Mod. This mod replaces the power jack on the motherboard and requires a little solder work to install. It utilizes the power delivery protocol to deliver the correct amount of voltage and current for the console. Make sure that the USB-C adapter you would use supports power delivery and can supply 12 volts at 3 amps. Click the link below to check out my shop at renewedgamingrelics.com for this as well as other USB-C mods, consoles I have available, and modification services. Let's install the gamer's Antiquity USB-C power mod for the N64. Remove the power port with a desoldering gun or with a soldering iron, solder wick, and flux. Take your time if using the wicks as it takes time for the heat to travel and melt the solder. Solder the ground cables to the ground plate to this or the other ground vias above it, pins 1, 4, or 5. Solder the 3.3 volt line to one of the two 3.3 volt vias, pins 2 or 3. Solder the 12 volt line to pin 6. Clean up the flux. Scroll the top of the shielding to cut it with a Dremel, aviator shears, or pliers, and remember to smooth all the edges afterwards. After a little assembly, install the mod to where the old power port was. Secure it with screws. Place the top shielding and wrap up assembly. Time to see if what we did worked out. This mod is reversible if you want to go back to the original power jack with the original power supply. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, to check out this and other mods, consoles, and modification services, visit renewedgamingrelics.com, links in the description below. See you again soon. Thanks for watching.